FMP week 4. This entire week was dedicated to creating my pitch and developing my ideas. So, when creating my pitch, the strategy that I had in mind was doing a order of the intro, then introducing my initial ideas, explaining my idea, the choosing of my idea, the research forms I've done, what research I've done so far, what equipment I'm using, location research, inspirations, experiments, schedule, and a conclusion. I felt like I could communicate this idea, the AI idea, very, very well, because this was an idea that I was really fond of, an idea that I knew I could cover because it's a very important topic, the topic of AI and loneliness. And I communicated it quite well with the research that with the feedback that I was given from my tutors, saying that it was a very in tune topic, that it was a topic that would be very relevant for today and a very achievable concept and story to create. As for my pitch, aesthetics, it did look quite nice. That was something I was complimented on by plenty of other students. Talked about how neat it was, how the images were well placed, how all the titles and texts beneath it were quite sized very well. The feedback that I did receive for my pitch was that my idea and pitch was well communicated, and that I looked very confident when explaining my idea, and also that my research was strong. I've already carried out my primary research, and my secondary research draws from comparable sources. I've explored my camera options, my editing software, lighting, and potential locations to film in. My inspirations are well chosen and appropriate for my theme. But there were some cons, as in my why I chose my final concept compared to the others, a more detailed written intent section, and identifying my main character themes and emotional arc clearly, organized research solutions with evidence, and short reflections on what each source taught me. The rehearsals for my pitch went very well. I kept doing rehearsals as compared to last time because I got nervous in my last pitch and I kind of froze. But this time I understood that to encounter less problems, I must start rehearsing in front of people that I'm already familiar with, like peers or friends. And thanks to this feedback, I will solve these issues that I currently have and take it with me throughout the next part of the project.